Okay, today we're going to cook a Szechuan eggplant with garlic sauce. This is a very popular Szechuan dish. Now let's first get some pork ready. When I cut meat, usually I want to have it halfway thawed. This will be easier to handle. You can cut it any shape, any size very easily. Now let's set this aside. Let's get some ginger ready. For ginger, I always peel it just in case there's some brown spot inside because you don't want to eat that. Also, let's get some green onion ready. Chop the ends off. I'm going to use some smaller pieces as garnish and set this aside. And then I'm going to chop these green onion and then put it aside for later use. Garlic, you want to crush it first for easy chopping. When you're done chopping the garlic, you want to rinse it in cold water. When you rinse this in cold water, you can get rid of the bitter taste. And also, when you fry that, you won't get the garlic burned. Now shred the ginger and then dice this. For ginger, garlic, and green onion, this is what I call 3 Gs. This is main ingredients for a lot of Szechuan dishes. Chinese eggplants has softer skin, so this is preferred for this dish. Get some oil ready. Dry the skin of these eggplants. Cut this to smaller pieces. When you fry the eggplants here, you want to bring the cold-pressed peanut oil temperature to about 140 Celsius or above. Now you test it by using a fork or chopstick. See the edge is soft, then you know it's ready. You can fish it out. Now if you don't like your food deep fried, click on the right up corner here for the steamed version. Now let's get some premixed sauce. Pay attention to this proportion. This is a suggested combination of each flavor, so you can come with a very unique flavor for the finished product. Get some oil ready. And put the 3 Gs in there. Fry it a little bit, and then once you feel the aroma is out, put the fava bean sauce. Fava bean sauce is also soul of a lot of Szechuan dishes. And then put the pork in there and stir this together. So once you see the pork is cooked, put the sauce in there. And remember, you have starch in there, so use medium heat. And then put the eggplant in there, simmer for a couple minutes. The sauce is all thickened, then you're done. You can take these out. Add the garnish on top. Now enjoy this Szechuan eggplant with garlic sauce.